Well, all good things must come to an end. Hey, y'all know I like Old Smokey grills. They are very inexpensive, but they cook like crazy. I love them. All right, that one that says Big Lou on there over there, it is the third one I ever owned, and it's my oldest one that I still own. But I cooked on it last night, and that's going to be one of the final cooks on it. I put some pictures up on Facebook of a turkey that I made. Today, the leftover turkey's getting converted to jambalaya, and I'm about to clean it. I may cook on it one or two more times, but I won't show that on YouTube. Now, I bought that grill in 2012. Usually my Old Smokies last me approximately 5 years. And what I did, I made some improvements to it in 2016. And I did it on video. It's called my Old Smokey TLC video. And the iCard will be right there. All right, you can see that video there. I got 3 more years out of it. And I probably could get a little bit more out of it, but it's time for it to say goodbye. Plus I need the room on my patio for some other things coming. The 18 I bought, I think in 2014, but it may have been 2013. Anyway, it's 6 or 7 years old. I think it's 6 years old, but it's time for it to go too. I'm gonna show you why. I haven't cooked on it since December. I cooked a ham on it. The ham did fine, but I knew that it was wearing out. And that one got damaged real bad in a tornado last year. I made some improvements to it, updated the bolts and stuff after that. But one of the legs, as you can see, was bent in it. And the lid was way over there in my neighbor's yard after a tornado. And the top had blown around. But I still used it for a while, but it's time for it to say goodbye. Now, I'm not gonna replace the 22 because I have a 22 for it. I got a 22 last June when I visited the factory. And got the flip side grate, which is right there in that one, but it's about to go back into the other 22. I'm gonna put the long legs on that 22. It's not gonna say Big Lou on it anymore, just say Old Smokey. No reason to customize it. It's only 6 months old or so, well, maybe 8, 9 months old. Anyway, it's still in really good shape, and I'm gonna be using it. And I'll be using my little Old Smokey 14, which is actually rather new. But the 18 I will replace. So I'll still have all 3 sizes, but I'm not gonna replace it right away. Lots of things going on here in March of 2020 in the country. Probably wait till all this blows over before I get a new 18. And when I do, I probably won't put long legs on it. I'll probably just use it on top of a table or something. And when I do, I'll do a review with that new 18. Let me show you why when it's time to say goodbye. I'm gonna harvest the handle, and thermometer's still good. Go ahead and dispose of the grill grate. I think that's the original one, but I might have replaced it. I'm certain that I did replace the charcoal tray once. These aren't that expensive. I think these are maybe $5 to $7 for the medium-sized one. As you can see, I haven't cooked on it in quite some time. But you see right here, it's rusting. Pull out my pocket knife. You can see it's just breaking apart right there. The metal has gotten very, very thin. See, I don't want to cut myself, but I can kind of bend it. See, the metal's gotten thin and starting to break. On this one, on the jumbo, the metal's breaking right around here at the edges. And so it's time to say goodbye. But there's the remnants of a turkey that I cooked last night. Onion peel that I had on there. I'm gonna clean it up. I'm gonna take the hooks off that I got from Jack on the Old Smokey site. It raised it up to help it sear better. Probably gonna save the charcoal tray as a heat diffuser to UDS. And of course, the flip side grate. One of the best, I wish they came with the flip side grate. It's gonna go into the newer one. But yep, this is the one I painted when my channel was still very new in March of 2017. A lot of you found my channel because of that maintenance video on this. I got 3 more years out of it. But this is, as Jim Morrison said, This is the end, my beautiful friend. Today is Sunday. My trash runs on Tuesday morning. They may go out in the trash, but I've got an old hot water heater around here and some old chain link fence and stuff I need to take to the metal recycling place. So I'm probably gonna throw them on the back of the truck or trailer when I do that in a few weeks. But anyway, just wanted y'all to know, and all you Old Smokey fans that watch my channel because I cook on Old Smokies, I'm not gonna stop cooking on Old Smokies. Not the only thing I cook on, but it could be. It could be, has been in the past in my life. And if I only had one grill, I'd pick an Old Smokey 22. If I could only have one, that one would be it. Honest to goodness. Anyway, thanks for watching, and those that have followed my channel, this is the last time you're gonna see the Big Lou Old Smokey on my channel. Goodbye.